Good morning students, I am Pragati, your psychology teacher. Today our class is based on the revision class of the chapters part by part. As I took your lectures from first part to the other and then the other of two chapters, today we are going to discuss about it and take the revision of each part. Why this revision has been started? Because your periodic test is going to come soon. And for this we are going to start a format that I want in my new students, as I am being also a new teacher for you, bring 20 out of 20, and that you can bring if you walk according to me, and also clear your doubts after each video and after each session. Okay, so first of all we understand how the exam blueprint has been formed and which chapter is going to come in the exam. As your class teacher ma'am Meenakshi ma'am have shared with you also the information, you would be having the same. So just understand how these concepts have been made, which kind of questions will come and how it will be helpful to you. First of all, your first chapter, which is based on the intelligence testing, the aptitude assessment of psychological attribution, is going to come, and then the second chapter which we have recently completed, that is self and personality. These two chapters are having maximum number of 1 marks question, MCQ, true false, objective type in build. So first of all you have to take care of reading ability. You have to build according to the part. I'm going to start like today. After this you have to start a video from the chapter 1 part 2nd, the second lecture of mine, in which I have been talking with you about the theories. In that, the psychologist name, okay, the theory which I have also told you for earlier also, and then the year. These things you need to remember, and it will always help you even in the periodic test, in your exam, in your finals, in your boards, everywhere. Okay, even if you go for your UGC net also, or something like competitive exam, there also you will get these kind of test in an objective form or in a concept form. Okay, so first of all you are going to get MCQs, that is 4 MCQ, 1 marks each, so total will be of 4 marks. Okay, these MCQs will be based upon some things that are like how do you get this, and then the option is there. You would be having a definition, then the options would be there. You have given a concept, an example which I used to give you in videos based on the different concepts, and then the options will be there for that concept. Okay, now second, fill in the blanks. Okay, how do the fill in the blanks? It is be straight, the darkened words or the important words, the definition or the psychologist name from which he been known for. So this will come 3 fill in the blanks, 1 marks each, so total 3 marks. Okay, then comes to true and false. True or false are mostly those kind of questions which are statement based, majorly in psychology. Okay, whenever you come in these kind of questions come, it's not completely a definition has been given you and asked is it true or false. A statement based questions are something related to a basic concept, like if I ask you that intelligence is based upon these question basis, so it will come so. Okay, similarly, okay, true and false, this also come 3, 1 marks each, 3 marks. Then comes to very short questions are very important in the terms, because these are to know your abilities, the concepts are been clear to you or not. In this mostly the definitions, okay, comes. All the definitions related questions are being considered in very short questions in psychology. Then comes towards, these will come 2 and 2 marks each with the 4 marks. In this 2 marks question with the definition, you can sometime get to explain the type as well. Okay, and you have to write only the name, not to explain it. Okay, then because we are very short, so you have to answer it in 30 words only, one sentence or two sentence question only. Okay, it is of 4 marks, 2 marks each, 2 questions, 4 marks. Now come towards short question answer. This is 2 questions will be there, 3 marks each. These are the questions in which you have been asked for the concept to explain a short note question or to explain a concept in detail. Okay, or even the difference between, like in yesterday video we have done the third part of the intelligence. In that, fraternal twins were there and also the sibling related, so you have to differentiate between the two. Okay, similarly you will get maximum number of differences in the chapter if you go through the topic wise. I will share some of the question related to today's video, that is psychology video of second part. Okay, first chapter, second part, from that, and you in your Google Classroom. So students, please come on your Google Classroom, answer the assignments and then send me again, so that I can give you marks related to it. Those who are missing their assignments, they are in a great loss, because these assignments are very useful for you. So please come on Google Classroom and attend the classes regularly. Okay, and now just start the second part of the intelligence chapter, and we will discuss about its question answer later on in the group. Thank you, and let's start.